Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. I want to do something different to my hair today. I want to spice it up a little bit. I want to add some beads. Let's see how I can make that happen. Strap up. My first clue was to go to supermarkets that had expression or attachments, and I was right. I found beads there, but I couldn't get everything from one store, so I was hopping from one to another, and this one finally came through. I got what I wanted, and I paid the kind lady. Mommy, moti send there. No, mommy, me need underwear and sing. When I saw all the beads I wanted to get, I was like, is this thing going to fit me like this? God, I beg. But she didn't have to trust the process. Me, I feel trust like mad. So I got home. I decided to sort out the beads so that it would be easy for me to put them in my hair. And let me tell you, it wasn't easy. I had to change my clothes and I was working whilst I was making my hair. I sectioned my hair so that I don't miss a single strand of lock. And this was what it was looking like after like 30-45 minutes. And tell me, if something is fine, I will say it is fine. And let me tell you, this hair is fine. Hi, look at beauty. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Bye.